Hello everybody, my name is Jill and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the sum function in Excel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the worksheet in which you want to use the sum function in. So this is my worksheet and it has some information on the Schneider Mortgage Company, and I would like to find out the total sum of the house cost, the down payment, and the amount financed. So I'm going to start with the house cost. And I'm going to use the sum function to do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to click on the desired cell in which you want the sum result to go into. So for me, that's cell B16. And then there are several ways to go from here to using the sum function, but what I find easiest because it works on every computer is to go to the formula bar and then type the equal sign and then in all capital letters, sum, and then open parenthesis. Now here you're going to enter the range in which you want to sum up. So for the house cost, that's going to be cell B8 to B12. You can enter this manually, or what I think is easiest is to just drag, less human error there, and then close parenthesis, and then you're just going to click enter. So that would give me the total sum of the house costs. And then I'll show you, let's say we want to do down payment. But another way to use the sum function is to go into the upper right corner, and then you click sum. And then let's say I didn't want to drag this time. So this time I need the range C8. So I'm going to type that, then colon C12 and parenthesis, and then click enter. And that would give me that total. And then we could also just do amount financed using our first way. End parenthesis. And there's our amount financed. And that is how you use the sum function in Excel.